You live in Fredericksburg, you've got rain right now. Burnett County, you're a little ways away from it, and then you've got a possibility for showers and thunderstorms moving in between 8 and 9 here in Travis County. So as you're getting out there, watch your step, watch where you drive. Could be a little slick out there. Certainly want to keep you up to date. Also, we are updating this on our Twitter account as well. You can either go to twitter.com and follow us there, or just follow us on your mobile phone, and of course, we'll keep you up to date. We have had reports out of the Hondo weather site of a 68-mile-per-hour wind gust. They're getting wind gusts typically 20 to 30 to 40 miles per hour, but they had some that were more significant. Looking at this map right here, what do you see? Counties in yellow, severe thunderstorm watch for those counties for the morning hours as these storms roll in. Lightning, I'm seeing quite a bit of lightning on this as well, so if you're going to be heading out the door, might want to, after we finish this weather update, go unplug the TV and maybe a computer, the expensive items, just in case we get into a lightning storm here. You'd hate to lose that. And also, if you're going to be heading out, watch that could be some thunderstorms out there that could make the streets slick as we go through the morning hours. Watch that. All right, let's head outside. I want to show you two things. One on Viper, rain totals. There's been quite a bit of rainfall out of this. We talked about 2 inches of rain. Weather Service said up to 4. We were a little skeptical on that locally, but they have had it out towards Junction and areas that direction. So yes, there is a possibility for some brief heavy rainfall as it moves through. We're hoping that everybody gets good rainfall out of this time around. 71 degrees, cloud cover, winds are calm, humidity at 90%. You can tell it, you can feel it. It is definitely not fall-like weather, but that's going to change. 60s and 70s. Temperatures much colder to the north. There's a front that's stationary to the north of us. 40s there, 70s local, and 70s to the south. Here's the rain. We figured we'd have a chance for rain as early as late last night. Didn't take place. Storm system, I guess, heard our forecast and said, nah, I'll take my time. It is doing so, and you can see it rolling in. Heaviest rain west of San Antonio. It is going to roll through. Again, it really depends on where you live. We think about 2 hours to the downtown Austin area, give or take a little bit, but when it does come through, lightning, thunder, morning rain and thunderstorms, cooler in the afternoon, and then Wednesday morning, fog possibility. If we have rain this morning, grounds are wet. Tomorrow morning with cooler temps, could have some fog. Our forecast model's been nailing a chance for heavy rain locally. It could go severe. There was a risk for that. As it moves out, though, this evening, we should be done with this, and we won't see another rain chance until the weekend. So we start off with thunderstorms. That's what we see this morning. Into the afternoon hours. That's what we see. Looks like it'll clear up nicely. As these storms move east, though, they're likely to be thunderstorms. It could build a little bit, so watch for that. 56 degrees, the low tonight. 7-day forecast. You can see the temperatures cool off a little bit and then warm back up for the weekend. Don't have any freezing weather in there, so it'll be a little more fall-like without the severity of freezing. And it looks like maybe another rain chance coming up Sunday and